This is how the mattress and pillow looks after I remove it from the case.
Be strong.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Today we will be reviewing two very important items that I went by a place named Nitori and purchased a mattress and a pillow for my comfort. And as you can see, this is the mattress, this is the pillow, this is how they package it, so let's start. And I should say, in Japan there are several different type of dwelling, and one of them we call them Leo Palace, and it's like a small apartment where everything is under one roof. You have a small room, you have a living bedroom, in one, and a kitchen and a little hallway. And for the most part, these apartments do not actually come with any mattress. You would have to actually go to the store and purchase a mattress as well as a futon, whichever you think is better. I purchased a mattress because I know that I need to protect my back, and the mattress feels very, very firm when I actually was testing it. The pillow as well is very, very soft, and it was very, very affordable in my honest opinion. The pillow cost 599 Japanese yen, and that's maybe about almost $6 thereabout, if you should check it. So in my honest opinion, it wasn't that expensive. It didn't take me to the bank. It was affordable. And on the other hand, as you can see, this is the mattress. It's 97 by 197 centimeter. A bit bigger than a twin mattress, and it's fit into the space comfortably, where you need to actually fit it in order to sleep in it. And as you can see, it comes in 3 different pieces. I'm going to actually open this and let you see. See that? You see? 3 different pieces. Taking my time to remove it from the plastic. And the mattress, the price wasn't that bad as well. See the different sections? See that? Can you see that? It's sponge, but it's not the regular sponge. It's a bit hard. Not too hard though, not too soft. So if you should move to Japan, for the most part you're going to need a futon as well as a mattress, or even a mattress would be better than the futon, because if you are trying to protect your back, or if you suffer from back problem, I certainly would recommend a mattress. And as you can see, it comes in different sections. You see that? So this is one piece, it's another, and that's another. Wherever you're watching, you can comment and let me know if they have these kind of mattress in your country. And it's quite comfortable because I've actually laid in it, you know, quite a few times. And for the most part, it was comfortable. This is how the mattress and the pillow looks after I remove it from the case and set it in the area in which it should be placed. And this is customary in Japan, you know. You need a mattress and a futon, or a mattress alone, because what I've actually realized, the futon is much softer than the mattress, and if you have back problem, I would not suggest that. What I would suggest is to get both the mattress and the futon, but I only purchased the futon because it's very comfy and it's firm, very firm. And the futon I paid 6,600 Japanese yen for it. No, my bad, not 6,000. In fact, it was 4,700 Japanese yen, not 6,000. 4,700 Japanese yen I paid for the mattress. And the pillow, as I said earlier, 599 Japanese dollar. You see that? It's firm. And it has different sections. This is one section. It's another section. So they fold everything together so that it could hold in the case. For easing, very easy movement. So this is it. As usual, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and of course go ahead and visit our business page at www.JAMCARIBGLOW.com, jamcaribltglue.com. There is something there for all skin type. Have a good evening, have a good night, have a good morning, anywhere at in the world. One love.